Hello and welcome back, everyone. You're listening to How to Speak English Alone, and this is episode 2 of our 10-part podcast series to help you build fluency, confidence, and routine, even if you don't have a speaking partner.
Hey everyone! I'm Joseph, and I'm so excited you're here again. If you listened to episode 1, you know we talked about starting your English journey solo. But today, we're getting a little deeper into daily habits that make speaking English a natural part of your life.
Exactly. And if this is your first time listening, welcome. I'm Anne, your English coach from the UK, and I'm here to give you tips and encouragement to speak better English every single day.
Let's be honest, we all want to improve, but most of us don't know how to stay consistent. That's where habits come in.
Segment 1: Why daily practice matters. You know, Joseph, a lot of learners think they need hours a day to get better. But in reality, just 10 to 15 minutes of the right kind of practice can make a huge difference over time.
That's true. I used to believe that if I didn't have a teacher or a class, I couldn't learn. But now I practice by speaking to myself in the mirror, or describing my surroundings in English.
That's a great start. Speaking aloud, even just describing your day like, I am brushing my teeth, or I am making tea, helps your brain think in English automatically.
Segment 2: 5 daily habits to start today. Alright, and let's share 5 simple daily habits our listeners can start today.
Yes. Here we go. Morning English routine. Say 5 simple sentences about your day right after waking up. For example, I am getting out of bed. Today is going to be great. Mirror talk. Stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself for 2 minutes. Talk about anything, your plans, feelings, or what you did yesterday. Word of the day. Learn one new English word and use it in 3 sentences throughout the day. Record yourself. Use your phone to record yourself speaking in English. Listen back and note areas to improve. Evening recap. Before sleeping, speak for 2 minutes summarizing your day, only in English.
These are amazing. And the best part? You can do all of them alone, at home, with no pressure. Segment 3: Motivation check. Let's be real, some days, I don't feel motivated. What should we do when we're tired or lazy?
Great question. 2 things help. Keep it short. Even 1 minute is better than nothing. Track your progress. Use a calendar or notebook to check off your English practice daily. It feels rewarding.
Also, you can listen to this podcast and practice with us every week.
Segment 4: Weekly challenge. Alright listeners, it's time for your weekly speaking challenge direct hit. Try this. Pick any object in your room. Speak about it for 1 minute. Describe its color, size, use, and how you feel about it, all in English.
Tag us if you record it on social media, or just practice quietly at home. Either way, you're improving.
So, to wrap up, speaking English alone is not only possible, it's powerful. Create tiny habits, and your fluency will grow faster than you expect.
We believe in you. Thanks for listening to episode 2, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to hear episode 3, where we'll talk about thinking in English, how to train your brain.
Until next time, speak loud, speak proud, and speak often. Bye.
See you soon.